This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize closing documents. Notarization is a vital step in many legal transactions, especially when dealing with important papers like those for closing on a home. It essentially confirms the identity of the people signing and verifies that their signatures are genuine. This process adds a crucial layer of legal protection and trust to your documents. Before your notary appointment, there are a few key things to prepare. First, ensure every person who needs to sign has a current, government-issued photo identification, like a driver's license or passport. It's crucial that you do not sign any of the closing documents beforehand. All signatures must be made in the notary's presence. Also, have all your documents ready and organized for a smooth process. During the notarization process, the notary public will first carefully verify the identity of each signer using their provided identification. Once identities are confirmed, all parties will sign the necessary closing documents right in front of the notary. After witnessing the signatures, the notary will then complete the notarial certificate, which includes their signature, stamp, and official seal, making the document legally recognized. Once the notarization is complete, take a moment to double-check that all required documents have been correctly notarized and that the notary's seal is clearly visible. It's incredibly important to keep your original notarized closing documents in a very safe and secure location. Finally, make sure to distribute copies of these important papers to all necessary parties involved in the transaction, ensuring everyone has their records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.